Welcome back, everybody. I wanted to make a video on a W205 2015 c300 Mercedes 4MATIC, and I wanted to show how to get the CV axle out of the back lift. So you have 3 control arms that you have to disconnect here. There's one down here and then over here. And you're gonna need, let's see, right here, it's a M12 triple square 12-point bit, and that's how you will unscrew these bolts. And then you're gonna need 18 for the nut on the inside of these, where they're bolted, you know, on the other side. So 18mm M12 for this. And then for the center axle bolt for the CV axle, you're gonna need a 12-point 32mm socket that's down there. In my area, I was able to get these at Blaine's Farm and Fleet, and then the socket was at Advanced Auto Parts. Other than those 2 tools, or 3 with the wrench, that's all you need to change out your CV axle. And so I hope that helped you guys work on a 2015 C300. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.